Hi. In this tutorial, we would learn how to make a window. Now, there are different designs I have seen in the industry for windows. Some designs are common. Some are a little bit odd. So we'll just try some samples out. I will have different episodes that are going to show different designs for windows. You can have a window to be either 1.2 meters or 1.5 meters or 600 millimeters. Let's go for the one that is 1.2 meters wide. So, I will type REC and hit enter. Then, I will click on my screen to attempt to draw by moving my mouse. Then I will type at 1200 followed by a comma. Now I am going for the width of the walls, as the windows are usually positioned at the exterior walls. These are usually 9 inches. That is 225 millimeters. So I will type 225. That's at 1200, 225 and I will hit enter. So there it is. Now, I don't want my UCS icon to be moving along with my image. So I will type UCS icon and hit enter. Then I either click on no origin or I just type whatever is in blue that is a capital letter. Thus, I will type and then hit enter. So you can see. I will move my object around and it's positioned. It's fixed. So now let's create a window layer. I will come here, type Windows. I need to hit enter when I am through. Then I will come here under colors. I will change my color. I prefer to use blue, so I will click OK. Now, I will highlight my object. Then place it on the new window layer. Then temporarily, I will explode it. To explode, I will type X and hit enter. So, I will offset this by 30 millimeters or 50 millimeters. I have set the bottom to offset by 50 millimeters, then I will set this by 20 millimeters. Then I will offset this too by 100 millimeters. Offset this again by 100 millimeters. So I can now trim TR, then hit enter twice. I can trim this by highlighting this and this. This is one window design. I will highlight all this, then type B and hit enter to turn it into a block. So, I will name it window_1200. OK, so you click on pick points and choose anything close to the center. I will now click OK. So that's it. That's how to create a window design of width 1200 millimeters. If you love our video, do subscribe. That's how great ideas are spread. Thank you.